Hello friend. Hello. How was your day? Good like every day. Nice to hear. Anyways, what are we gonna do today? I don't know, maybe shoot people with our minigun for fun. Good idea. Okay, let's go. Here goes Boomer and Scout. I will shoot Boomer. And you shoot Scout. Okay. Boomer go boom. Cool. Now my turn. That was fun. Yeah. Wait, Templar. Yes. Do you realize something? What is it? Look. We are not shooting red laser. Yeah, I just realized that too. Maybe they forgot to change it. Yeah. That happened to my other skin when I used different color laser too. Oh. I hope they notice it and change it. Yeah. It will be really cool if we shoot red laser. Yeah. Wanna go buy some cheeseburger? Sure.